yuzuye ubuntu n'ineza itangaje, iraduhatse ntizaturekura, itwitayeho, nta bihe byadutandukanya nayo. Ni Imana ihwanye n'Imana rurema, oh yuzuye ubuntu n'ineza itangaje.
Carmel Church official and the East Africa and ibihugu byose nyine mu byumve namwe bituma umuntu abakishema kongereza n'umuntu kivuga tukiri umwanya natwe n'ukubwira kazi. So uyu ni umusobanura, uyu ni umutwe kwakira, yani my pastor kanisa na papa bari kwakira udasanzwe ya Uganda. So since magana women cyatune kimuzana hano, ariko na mbere tatwanga tumwa Congereza. How are you, my pastor?
I am so good, and I'm very happy to come back after being invited by Bishop Gedeon to KWAKIRA Church.
Welcome again, and I love you.
Thank you for loving me, and thank you also for coming to receive me in help.
So, kalo tugaruke hano akoniko na imperative.
Okay, let's come back and ending by this. Okay.
So, yo bari yakabiraje muri kino gihugu cy'ikisashe kumukira hano kirishasha y'abaturage.
So this is another time to come here to Burundi. So what has caused you to come again here in Burundi? So I'm excited to return the second time to KWAKIRA Church. Danezero cyane ni kugaruka ubwira kabiri mu ishengo rya KWAKIRA Church. The first time I came, I taught pastors. Ubwa mbere igihe naza nigishije abungeri. And the second time I'm going to be teaching the youth. Ariko ubwa kabiri ngiye kwigisha imiyabaga. I have written a paper that I use for coaching young people. Narateguye impapuro cyangwa ibyanditswe nkoresha kugira ngo nshobore kuroba cyangwa kwigisha imiyabaga ugwaruka. It's known as Vision Africa 2050 plus. No kuvuga ngo izo nyigisho zifatiye kuyereka rya Afrika kuva ku myaka 2050 kubandanya. It's intended to enlighten all the African youth on what God says about their lives and how they should be involved in ministry now until the days to come. Izo nyigisho zerekeye kumenya kwigisha kugira ngo ugwaruka rumenye ivy'Imana ibagomba ko mu gihe nk'iki, no kugira ngo n'ingene boshobora kandi kubikoresha mu myaka igiye kuzoza. I've taught this in many countries in Africa. Ibi navyigishije mu bihugu vyinshi muri Afrika, and it will be very interesting. Kandi bizoba ari ivyo kwiga cyane kuko tubifitiye amatsiko, muzobigira amatsiko menshi cyane, inyota nyinshi cyane. I encourage every young man to go through this class, and it will open their minds. Ndagomba gusaba ugwaruka ko boza rukiga izi nyigisho kuko izi nyigisho zizobugurura ivyumviro vyabo. Thank you. Murakoze cyane. Thank you very much. I want to ask you another question.
Kubera iki muri gihe ari gutegura kuva mu Burundi kuza muri KWAKIRA Church abanyandege akabiri ni cyese basha muri we kwiyumvisha ko yakora
that's why this is the second time you come to KWAKIRA Church, and here in Burundi there are many churches. Why do you decide to come again in KWAKIRA Church, not in a different church from KWAKIRA? Because I have made partnership with KWAKIRA Church. Ni kubera ko nagiraniye imigenderanire myiza na KWAKIRA Church, and their level of hosting is like home. Kandi ukuntu bakirana banyakira nk'uko umengo nibereye muhiri wacu. But also they have a humble ministry. Kandi bafise igikorwa cyangwa ishengero riciye bugufi,
And God works with humble people.
kandi Imana ikorana n'abantu baciye bugufi.
Thank you.
cyane hama ariko akumbarize ese aracibuka mu nzu yitwa Grace.
You want to ask, do you still remember someone called Grace?
I remember Grace because she cooked very good food for me.
Grace namwibuka cyane kuko yaneguriye imfungurwa ziryoshye cyane.
And I remember Buja because he got a son and named after me.
kuko iki nacyo yibuka Bujumbura kuko igihe yazi bwa mbere niwo munsi navyara umwana cinamwita izina ryiwe.
Then I remember the bishop because his wife was in the conference.
Yes.
And then there is something I will talk to them later on when I meet two of them.
kandi nibuka umubishop kuko umugore wiwe cyangwa umufasha wiwe igihe yari hariya hariho ivyo nabonye novugana navyo ariko sinza kubabwira ubu nza kuvugana nabo bari kumwe ari babiri.
Then I remember you because you were recording me during the conference.
kandi waje kwibuka kuko ni wariko urangamera mu gikorano. Nakoze cyane.
Ndama ari ngene usobanure agita mu pastor usobanure nayo.
So pastor also bishop want also something that he needs to say, a very little thing.
Twishimiye kuhakira ubugira kandi Dr. Bishop Odi kuva mu Bugande.
We are so happy to welcome once again Dr. Bishop Odi from Uganda.
Yatubereye umugisha mu buryo budasanzwe itorero ndetse n'amatorero atandukanye tugenda dutumira mu nyigisho ziwe.
He had a blessing to us and a blessing of different churches here in Burundi.
Ni umugisha rero kongera kumwakira kugira ngo abashe gutanga inyigisho ku rubyiruko rutandukanye mu matorero atandukanye.
So it is another blessing to host him as he is going to teach young men and youth from different churches.
Icyo twovuga gusa turagushimiye Bishop tuguhaye ikaze Imana iguhe umugisha.
What we can say it is that we thank you Bishop, we welcome you, may God bless you.
Dukomeje kwishimira ubufatanye bwacu nawe kandi turazi yuko inyigisho mutanga ziyazifasha benshi n'izi nyigisho mwazanye zizafasha abasore benshi abahungu n'abakobwa mu kubugurura ibitekerezo kugira ngo babashe kumva icyo Imana ibagombaho mu buryo bw'ampwemu ndetse no mu buzima busanzwe mu buryo bwo gukora ibikorwa.
We are so excited to be in partnership with you, and also we believe that these teachings are going to help youth so that their mind will be opened to see how they can do ministry even in their daily works.
Dushimira n'igihugu cy'u Burundi,
and we thank God for the country of Burundi,
mu bikorwa byiza batwugururira amatorero kugira ngo ubutumwa bwiza bugendagende hirya no hino ku isi.
for allowing us and giving us permission and helping us to do ministry without any problem and displaying it in different corners of this country.
Turabatumiye mwese, turatumira abapastori twagiye dusaba urubyiruko kugira ngo bohereze urubyiruko ruze rukurikira inyigisho nabo bazaze kuzigisha mu matorero yabo kugira ngo ikorwa cy'Imana gikomeze cyane.
We welcome all the youth from the churches in which we have already communicated to the pastors. You are welcome to be taught these teachings in this seminar of 3 days.
Shimira cyane itorero Karumeli, abakozi ba Karumeli, abapastori n'abakristo ba Karumeli gukomeza kwishimira kwakira abashitsi igihe cyose bifuje kutugana.
I also thank the Church of Carmel Church in general because they are always happy and delighted to welcome visitors and the way they do everything together in unity and in love.
Tubahaye ikaze rero Imana ibahe umugisha namwe twongeye kubaheza ikaze tuzabane muri uyu mugisha w'iminsi yose tuzabane.
You are all of you welcome, and the man of God you are welcome. Let us be together so that we can share the blessing that the Lord has prepared for us.
Seminar zizatangira ku munsi w'ejo kuwa gatatu.
Seminar will start from tomorrow on Wednesday.
Izakomeza kuwa kane.
It will continue on Thursday.
Kuwa gatanu.
On Friday.
Muratumiwe mwese.
You are all welcome. May God bless you so much.
Amen.
Amen.
Thank you.
Amen. 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 Amen.